we are kind of reinventing what it looks like to be grilling in New York City, where you can't have gas outside anymore.
It's just a whole new environment that one has to deal with, and one has to do their research and make sure that they understand all the available elements and approaches to it so that one can get exactly what the client wants.
We are evolved as humans to not want to just change very rapidly. We want to do what we know works. And so I think in many cases, it'll take a couple of early adapters to start making that change because they believe in it.
Electrification, I must admit, maybe 10 years ago, I probably would have scoffed at it and said, oh, how is this possible? But it is truly remarkable how electrification opens up the possibility for so many different things to occur in a household, from heating and cooling to cooking.
The good news is there's some changes coming. The scary thing is climate change is very much real, and it's very much affecting how we build things and how we distribute and how we work, for sure.
My point of view and perspective has completely transformed from when I first started. And the conversation about electrifying kitchens has become very normal and mainstream when it comes to your indoor kitchen appliances. So I myself own an induction cooktop at home.
I think, as with anything, when discussing a subject that is new, maybe uncomfortable, maybe requires some buy-in, the best way to approach it is to understand the needs of the group of people that you are discussing it with.
I'm going to twist it. I think sustainability is important to everybody. But at this point, sustainability needs to meet durability. If you can get a durable product that lasts 20, 30 years, like our old appliances, things that are really built to last, like these Middleby appliances, if you buy something that's built to last and it lasts 10 years, 20 years, I don't think it's about the sustainability. I think it's the durability. And so if equipment is made properly for these outdoor opportunities, I think that's what the customer is looking for. It's just about, let me buy something and put my good money to use and let it last. Let me use it, love it, and enjoy it.
That, to me, I feel like I'm doing my part by recommending it to my clients just as much as they're doing their part asking for it.